have an idea, but I don't know how it looks like. So we will see. We will see. Oh, I like this. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See? This is, see, it's sealed. See? This is there is a barcode. Oh, I love it. See? It's a bag. Hard bag. You see? Dun, 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 dun. It's a hard bag. Look, I will show you what's this inside. Whoa, that is inside. See? There, it's empty. So they put a silica, and there is a sling for we're making a sling. It's going to connect here. It's like a violin, violin or guitar bag when it's big, but it's small. See, if you will connect here and here, and make it sling. So now the major after is this. You see, I've been looking for this online, but only look. So now I got one. See, there's my ring light. I use ring light. I don't have any idea how to use this, but we will see. It says here 3-axis stabilized gimbal. So we will see. See? That is how it looks like. S5B. 3-axis stabilized gimbal.
Mommy, I did
It's
that.
nice.
Mommy.
Yeah. See, look. This is the. So I'm gonna open this now.
Mommy, look. I think I'm
There's a light.
Mommy,
And the light
Mommy,
is
look.
on.
Mommy, look. I think I need to get tissue for you
Okay, give me tissue, my love.
because of your hurt.
Okay. Don't hurt. Actually, don't hurt.
I know, but I'm just gonna get.
Dun, da, da, da,
I don't need
da,
these
da.
bandages. So I really want to use these.
See?
I'm gonna
That
move the
is how it
camera.
looks like.
Is it hot?
No, no, no. That's enough, my love. That's enough. That is enough. See? We will see. I don't have any idea how to use this, but
Me either.
I need to learn. There you go. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Blast off.
One, two, three,
Blast
blast
off.
off.
Blast off. Oh, my lights. Oh, my lights. Oh, there you go. There you go. See? There's a USB. And there you go. Oh my goodness. So So you need to charge. Need to charge. Need to put handle here. So I don't know how this. I just need to find out how. So we will see. They said you will just push the button and push the button and push the button and it will roll by itself. So we will see. So there is also for the stand. So we will see how it looks like. Oh, this is for the charger. See, USB. I need to put this one and charge. Okay. Okay, it's not bad. Let's see. It's not bad. So I don't know. I need to figure out how to use this because I don't have any idea. I just see the video and the pictures on on online on internet. So we will see. So I will see. I will check what is this. Oh, 6K fetal phone camera lens. Oh, okay. This is 6K camera fetal lens. See? Nice. And what about this? What is this? What is this? Oh, this is the handle. You can put that one there. There's the handle. There's the handle. See, you can lock, can open and lock. So it's nice. One is the tripod. Can also make a tripod. See? So this one you can attach the bottom. You can attach the bottom. You see? This one can attach the bottom here. See? And make it a tripod. You see? So nice. Nice, nice, nice. And the handle also you can attach. You can also attach the handle. Yeah, you see. Mm, mm. So same like this. So it's not bad. So we will see. See, we will see. I just need to figure out how to use this because I don't have any idea. Okay. It's crazy. It's nice. It's not bad. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bell button. Bell all. Thank you and see you.